كل الشكر للرعاة اللي ساهموا في حضورنا كومبيوتكس 2018 أومن من HP، هايبر إكس، ثيرمال تيك وسيتي سنتر دوت جو.
مرحبا بفيديو اليوم التغطية الكاملة لجناح EK بمعرض كومبيوتكس 2018 والمنتجات المميزة العديدة الموجودة فيه.
Hi, my name is Miguel Covertier. I'm with EK Water Blocks. I'm proud to be here at Computex. Obviously, we want to be here to showcase all of our new products. We've been innovating and challenging ourselves for the last 6 months very heavily, and we've got a lot of very innovative and very unique products to show you guys, and really hope that you enjoy here. One of the products that we're going to be showing off here, we're really excited about, is our Eek Fuel Solid. As many of you know, there are lots of different opaque or pastel or whatever you want to call them fluids on the market. But there's also been the issue of a lot of them of separation, of clogging, getting stuck in your microfins. So it's something that obviously being a water block company, we have the ability to know how the water blocks function and are taking that into our product design. So this coolant has actually been in development for over a year. We've had a beta program with modders worldwide that have been using this and providing feedback to us because we want to make sure when we release it, it has no issues. You can use it safely inside of your loops and flush it and get it out of there with no problems at all. So this should be launching very, very soon. I'd probably say within the next 1 or 2 months. And it's available in the following 7 colors. We're very, very excited to have this out there. And it's a very unique chemical composition that we think is going to work awesome inside of your builds. One of the other products that we're showing off here in the suite is our Vardar fans. Vardar fans have been developed and available from us since 2014. Currently, we just launched our RGB versions, which are available now in our web shop, which rely on analog RGB or 4-pin, so it's compatible with Asus Aura, MSI Mystic Light, all of the motherboard companies. We also are showing off our Vardar Extreme fans, which are very nice. They feature digital addressable LEDs inside of them. They're daisy chainable, so they're not going to take up your addressable port. They also have rubber dampeners, which are interchangeable. The nice thing about this is you can change them to match your build. We're going to offer them in 8 different colors, which provide noise reduction as well as less vibration on your radiators as well. One of the most exciting things that we're going to be showing off here during Computex is our Eek Special Projects division of products that we're offering. It's been very popular. One of the things you can see is our wood water blocks that we have. It's something that we really wanted to push the bar for water cooling and really make an individual approach. So we're going to be offering specialized water cooling products, GPU water blocks, fittings, full cover blocks that are going to be available in multiple different materials. The sky is really the limit for us, and we're very, very excited to just offer these unique products and make them unique for the individual. So we have some examples here of a CPU block in carbon fiber, in marble, in gold, and then of course in the wood. So if there is any idea that you had, anything you want in a PC, our R&D team can now make that for you in an individual one-to-one experience. So one of the most exciting projects that we have here is our Eek NuWave. So many of you know that our Eek Supremacy and our full cover blocks have been very popular for the past couple of years, but they've been very similar as far as design is concerned. So we really wanted to push the boundaries on that, really change it up, but also still honor our current products. Minimalistic design and very clean edges are something that we're known for. So we want to stay true to that, but also provide some design changes that excite you guys and really kind of appeal to it and provide some, different design touches onto the build. So inside of here we have full cover blocks, we have mono blocks, and we have, of course, our new CPU blocks. So our CPU blocks were called Supremacy. Now we're changing that, and it's going to be called Velocity for our new lineup. We have some really, really unique features inside of it that we think are awesome inside of the product. One of which is the mounting. The blocks have always looked phenomenal, but the mounting was pretty basic, to be honest. It was pretty much a flat piece of metal. We took that back, and we have a very unique mounting approach now. So on this motherboard here, you can actually see that this is for the Threadripper STR4 socket. And the mounting mechanism not only has a nice curvature to it, it actually covers up the socket as well. So you don't see any of the socket pins, any of the silver of it, so that your eyes can focus purely on the water block, making your loop look more elegant and more clean as well. We're really excited. We have some new, of course, different touches. Our acetal block now has a very nice outer glow inside of it. So if you're not a big fan of plexi, but you still want some RGB, some nice accent lighting inside of the system, that block now provides something for you. We also even went back to change as much as our logo. So rather than having just a sticker logo that's used on some previous products, our new logo has chamfered edges, And when it's off, it looks exactly the same, but when on, it actually shows lighting coming through. So on some of the water blocks, you can actually see the RGB effect coming through the logo, which looks very nice, very elegant, especially on our full nickel block. It's a very clean, smooth surface, and the logo has some nice soft accent lighting inside of it, providing a nice sophisticated look inside of there if RGB isn't your thing, but you still want some accent lighting to match your build, match your cables, things like that. So all of these products were made with enthusiasts, with gamers, with overclockers, all of that in mind so we can make the best product for you. One other product that we're very excited about, it's going to be our third iteration of it, and one that we feel is truly a full encompassing product, is our new high-end all-in-one. It currently does not have a project name at this moment, but should be available by the end of the year. It is very premium filling. As you can see, it still covers up all of the cables, all of the RGB cables inside of it. It will have a controller that controls the RGB effect on all of the fans, on the CPU block, and also uses our new Velocity CPU block as well. So this is a premium product. It's full copper inside of here, which can, if you're an overclocker, if you want something more than the standard all-in-one unit, this is where you should go. We're very proud of it. It's going to have some side-lit RGB effects as well, which coincide with all of it. And it also is going to have our new premium fittings that are going to be installed inside of here as well, along with some braided tubing to really make a nice, elegant look inside of your systems. Lastly, we have our fluid gaming table. For those of you who aren't familiar with fluid gaming is our cost-efficient aluminum water cooling. So for those of you that want to get into water cooling for the first time and are curious, don't really want to take the jump onto a full copper loop, fluid gaming is going to be that entry step for you. We're expanding it to basically an entire product family, not so much just a specific product anymore. One of the products that we're showcasing here at Computex for the first time, we are very excited for, is our mainstream all-in-one unit codenamed Hydra. So this is an all-in-one unit that was designed by our R&D team, who are very familiar with hydrodynamics and designing for open-loop water cooling. So we challenged them with the task of making an all-in-one unit that's very price competitive to current all-in-ones on the market, that's going to provide additional performance, just like we do in our open-loop system. So we're very excited to launch this Hydra system. It should be available probably by the end of the year. It does feature digital addressable LED fans and also digital addressable lighting inside of the CPU block itself, along with very good performance and a very cost-efficient price tag.
بالنهاية شكرا لكم على المتابعة. إن شاء الله يكون عجبكم الفيديو. إذا عجبكم اعملوا له لايك، عجبكم كتير اعملوا له شير. لا تنسوا تعملوا اشتراك بالقناة وتفعلوا كبسة الجرس عشان توصلكم أي فيديوهات جديدة منا. إن شاء الله تكون عجبتكم المنتجات الموجودة بالفيديو. إذا عندكم أي أسئلة أو اقتراحات أو ملاحظات خبرونا إياها. بنشوفكم فيديو ثاني إن شاء الله. سلام مني مود ومن دارك.